going to say behind even. We're registered, none of this bullshit go through. That's... Oh fuck, get fucked! Yeah! Yeah, it's not bad, eh? Just a bit of front brake. Keep your momentum and look straight ahead. Hey, Jim. I did it. It's covered in dirt at least. You don't want to give it any on the fucking wood, that's the thing. That's it, keep the weight on the back. Yep, we're good. Should we? There's one problem with these 252 strokes. The XC model doesn't come with power being standard. Only the 300 for the hardcore riders. Yeah, by and by. We need to get around. Need to go to the far left. Oh no. Coming up past his left. Now he's behind you. Yep, we're all good. It's Travis. And out and around. It's working. I've got traction all the way. Can you get up, brother? Alright, I'll stop up here. Go boys, catch up. One between us. Bring some pace. Fuck yeah, boy! Keep it in second and just go. Fucking hell, mate. Yeah, many times you put it down today? 3 times? 4? I wonder when they're going to bring out that. Oh, sequential gearbox. You're right. Are you actually stuck? I'll see at the finish line. Oh, there's a bloke here. You're kidding. Holy fuck. Oh shit. You'd actually go really well at Denman, eh? Your riding is so improved. Oh, fucking oath. Oh, here's Cam's buttons. Back to front. I'm gonna go far right. Or is that where that dickhead is? I can't stop. 1 or 2 stroke. I'm stalled. I can't get around you. On the brakes. Yeah, I had the clutch in. Oh. There we go. Thanks, mate. Punching it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, mate. Oh, I think one bloke. Alright. You alright? Get going. Bro. That was close, bros. You hurt yourself? Shame Cam Smith wasn't down here today. Higo should have come down. He's put his shoulder out, fucking pulling on that big piece of driftwood though, so that's understandable.